In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video with pictures and music in CapCut using Google Search. First, we're going to start right in your web browser. Open your preferred browser on your computer, phone, or tablet. In the search bar at the top, type in "How to make a video with pictures and music in CapCut" and press enter. This simple search will bring up a range of helpful resources, including step-by-step tutorials, videos, and written guides that walk through the exact process. On the results page, you'll see a list of links, usually with some video thumbnails at the top and regular websites underneath. Take a moment to scroll slowly and look for results that seem clear and trustworthy. Tutorials from well-known platforms, official support pages, or creators who specialize in editing are usually a good place to start. You'll often see the search term highlighted in bold within the description, which helps you confirm that the guide really matches what you're trying to do. If you prefer to follow along with a video, choose a result that links to a video platform. These are great because you can pause, rewind, and watch specific parts as many times as you need while you work in CapCut. If you like written instructions, pick a guide that has screenshots or images, since those make it easier to match what you see on your screen with what the tutorial is showing. Once you've chosen a result, open it in a new tab so you can easily switch back to your search results if you need another reference. As you follow the tutorial, keep your browser and the CapCut app open at the same time. This way, you can watch or read a step, then immediately switch to CapCut and repeat what you just learned. It's usually best to start with a small project, maybe 5 to 10 photos and a short music track, so you don't feel overwhelmed. As you go, pay attention to tips about timing, transitions, and audio levels. Many guides will show you how to adjust the duration of each picture so it fits the beat of the music, and how to add simple transitions so your photos flow smoothly from one to the next. If something doesn't look right in your project, just go back to your browser, revisit the tutorial, or open another result from the same search for a slightly different explanation. By using this Google search as your starting point, you'll always have up-to-date, detailed instructions to help you create polished videos with your pictures and music in CapCut.